making chicken feed, I've found a resource for some bulk cattle feed that is made with cottonseed, a little bit of peanut meal, and some other milling stuff. Just leftover products from cleaning peanuts and other things. It's mixed into pellets with a little bit of corn. Yes, as I've said before, I want to be all grass fed, but my pastures just are not good enough yet, and I'm not going to let my animals suffer for the sake of being only grass fed. Now that is the majority of their diet, but to supplement them, they're getting this stuff. And really, it's not even that much that they're getting. I have lactating moms, I have pregnant moms, moms to be, and I'm not gonna let them go hungry. So this is about was a ton of peanut meal. I'm just gonna scoop it up. Get about 5 gallons of this or so. So I take this over here and I put it into the mixer. Then I come over here. It's a little windy day, so apologize. This is the peanut, cottonseed, and corn. Just take some of that. And I gotta keep this grinder fed. I just keep that bad boy fed. This thing's been running for about a good 30-45 minutes or so. And then it just gets gummed up a little bit here. That's all right. Runs again. That's an Amazon special, of course. I don't know, one of them little grain mills. So I make it in about a 50-50 ratio. I already have a bucket of the peanut meal. And this is like fine little stuff here. Man, it smells delicious. It smells like peanut butter cookies. And then I got this stuff here. And after I've gotten enough, I just go ahead and take a couple of scoops. 7 scoops is a bucket roughly. So I put 7 of these in there. And this stuff comes out pretty good. The chickens weren't eating it when it was whole in the pellet, but they'll eat this. This is my pinch point. This is a great meal. I like it so far. It's my first time using it. Works pretty good. It does drop a little bit out the back over here, but I just moved this back there and it seems to be okay. Then I'm gonna turn on this mixer and get this all mixed up. Hold on. Okay, got it all mixed up. Just take all these scoops out. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's small, very, very fine. I would like it a little bit more coarse, but this is okay. I did try them out on some and they just gobbled it up. I just fill these up and the rest I use for the cows. So I filled up those 5 barrels for the cows, and I'm gonna have these 3 for the chickens. This is their feeder. Of course, I have to take it back out there with a tractor because it's heavy. It's really about it, you know? Hopefully everything will go good. My main problem is I'm just spending a lot of money on chicken feed. I'm just trying to find a way to kind of shave a little bit off. I'm not trying to be cheap, but I'm just trying to be more economical. If I'm able to drop my overall input price, then the output price will be be lower at least. It's my goal. That's what I'm trying. Now, of course, I'm not taking into account the labor this takes, but you know what? Right now it's a beautiful sunny 60 something degrees. It's a nice day. When I'm waiting for the mill, I just sit down, relax. Oh, the geese just left, but I watch the geese, I watch the dogs. I mean, it's kind of relaxing, so I don't mind. I don't mind finally a task where I can take it easy, because usually I'm just rushing, doing stuff. So I don't mind this so much. So these sacks here, these are the big totes when they are full. They're about 1,500 pounds or so, and they were like $280 or $290 for all that. And then this was 4 for right about 1,900 pounds. So it's not bad, I guess. 700 roughly for almost about 2 tons of food, 1.5 tons. 2 tons of food. It's not too bad, considering it's paying about $14 for 40 pounds, and I was going through a lot of that stuff. So anyway, we'll see if this is better, both economical and still healthy enough for the birds. I've noticed they are molting again. They seem to be molting a lot right now. I don't know if it's, again, a diet issue or what's going on, but their egg production has stopped. And I understand it's winter time, but usually they give me some more. At least last year I had eggs still throughout the winter, but I'm getting 0 eggs. So I don't know if they're eating them just for either by habit or want of food. I don't know. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it, and I'm hoping this food will be one of the fixes. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to this, and because I got a lot more to do. I still have the rest of this to fill up and all this to fill up, and then I gotta unload that. I'm hoping that will pretty much be gone. So anyway, we're gonna cut it off there. Just a little short video of how I'm making my chicken feed. It's a trial. We'll see how it works. I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Bye.